So I was doing one of the most therapeutical things out there, which is cleaning, and in the moment I just realized about something, and I would like to share it with you. And the thing is, it's about a quote or a thing I saw once on Instagram. I cannot tell you which creator posted it because I can't remember. It was like months ago, months, if not a year at least, and it was about you will be someone's feeling at some point, and yeah, I think I'm going to talk about it because that's the truth. So yeah, let's get into it, shall we? So the quote kind of went sort of like, at one point in life, or something like that, you will be someone's villain, or at least you will be the villain in someone's story. So at least have the decency of being a good villain, or something like that. To be honest, that's correct. I mean, it's just, it is a fact of life that at one point in time we will bring disappointment and most likely heartbreak to someone, one way or another. And that's something we kind of have to embrace. And that's one of the reasons why I made this channel. I cannot please everyone. That's a hard lesson that one must embrace as soon as possible. And yeah, that could be the whole video. That's it. Yeah, until next time. Bye bye. Never do that. I'm messing with you, but the thing is, essentially that's the overall message. I kind of think it's just, I know I'm dragging, I'm probably making one too many videos about this topic, but the thing is, to me this is something big and important, and this channel I made it to work on my self-expression. And I kind of need to process through the crap, just to see if I can see if I am being unfair in this whole situation. I'm sorry, I have hiccups. I want to, you know, process through the motions just to try to see if I'm just being unfair, or cruel, or mean. Because you know what, it's just, I might be, you know, I could be wrong. I could be entirely wrong. Oh, I'm sorry, that's the cleaning thingy. Secador de pisos. Let's call it mop, because I kind of use it like that. Yeah, like I said, it's just, I'm not, it's just, the thing is, I could be wrong, I could be misguided, I could be being too emotional. Yeah, that could be a definition. But the thing is, no matter how many twists and turns do I give it to it, I just cannot see a way to improve the situation. And I know I'm kind of like causing drama by just, you know, essentially quitting and just making distance and everything, just quitting. It's just drama, essentially. Oh, and in the last video I said that there was a humongous amount of grind. I find out what it was. It was banana, because she feeds the baby bananas, and that kind of makes a mess and never cleans it, and that plus the dirt from the shoes. It was bitten banana and or apples. It's just, see, it's that's like sort of things, just little things, you know. And it's not like, because it's your own kids that is, it's just crawling through the dirt, and it's your baby, the one who's going through the mess. And I get it, they need to grow an immune system, but come on, really? It's just, no, it's just, And I'm the only one cleaning anything. Do you have any idea when was the last time they cleaned the towels? I wash them here, manually. If not, they're gonna turn brown and they're red. Do you have any idea how long it takes for a red towel to turn brown? A heck of a load of time. It's just... But that's the thing. The devil is in the details. And life, it's an accumulation of details. There's only so much I can put up with. There's... Yeah. I might have to be the villain in this story. I might be, you know? I might be just a misguided bitch who's just entitled and annoying and just ungrateful or something. I might be the one who's in the wrong. But I just know I can no longer do this. And if the whole situation makes me bitter and sour in a way that it's unlike me, then something is off. And I need to change it. I'm sorry, but I'm gonna have to. I will do so. It's just... I think I'm gonna fully quit. Not even stay like an employee. Because I know I'll be getting here, and then the first thing, and I will have to get 5 minutes earlier to mop a little bit the place, because the place will be filled with filth. It's just, I will have to take the difficult route, the difficult path, and just to work on my own, even if I earn less than what my boss has proposed me. I'm gonna be at peace. And you know what? No money can buy you peace. And I can't just deal with this. And it's not this, it's not... I've done this before. It's just the emotional aspect. It's just... Have you been around someone who can actively make you feel sick? Like physically, you're just like... you're just like having symptoms. Like, how? It's just... How do you achieve that? It's just... I'm gonna have to do that. With much grief in my heart, because I just don't want to be the kind of person who resigns after 3 months and it's just like that, fickle, emotionally fickle. But I don't know, I might have to think it through even further, but the reality is, one way or another, I will not please her, because I will no longer be in the same position with the low pay I was. I will not be here all the time with the low pay I have. So one way or another, even if I stay as an employee, I will be making her pissed. And yeah, at least if I'm gonna be someone's villain in her story, which is undoubtedly something that might happen, because you know, you can't be everyone's friend, you can't be everyone's favorite, and you can't please everyone. And that's the very purpose why I made this channel. Just to face the fact I cannot be a people pleaser, and I have to express my needs. And my needs are not being met. So, could I be just an entitled bitch and just misbehaving? Could I be the one in the wrong in this situation? Yeah, I could totally be that. I could totally be that. I know if I stay longer, I would only harvest resentment. I don't want to do this, but I kind of have to. Well, remember what I said about empowerment. It's who makes the decisions. You are in power when you are the one making the decisions. The thing is, with decisions, there is a responsibility. It is your duty just to bear the consequences. I'm gonna have to do that. Yay. Great. Well, time, I just wish you the best of the world. And if you're gonna have to be you, because you will have to at one point in time, to be someone's villain, someone's story, I beg of you, at least have the decency of being a classy one. Be a classy villain, like try to have like style. Just, you know, have a presence and be a decent villain. You know, just like with swag at least or something. You know, just have style while being a villain. And yeah, until next time. Good luck conquering the world, you little villains. Just ciao ciao.